In this video, I will show you how to sell on the StockX app. So to do this, first just go and install the StockX app, and I'll show you how you can do it with clothes, shoes, or accessories, with literally anything. And you can do this from pretty much anywhere in the world where StockX is available. So to sell your products on StockX, just again open up the app and then click on the search bar. From here, just search for the exact product that you have. For example, I will go Air Jordan 4, and then let's say I have this one. Now you can see this one is women's, so if you have men's, then you need to go to the men's. So make sure you're in the exact colorway and gender that you have the specific item for. And now here you can see usually it says buy or bid, but if you click on sell now for whatever it says or ask more, if you click on that, you can then see now it says sell or ask. So now you want to click on that, sell or ask, and then choose which size you have the product in, for example 10. And now here you can choose the price that you want to sell it for. Now you can sell it immediately for $246. You can sell it pretty fast for $253, or you can earn more with the left option. Now you can also just set your own price if you think it will sell for $280 or you want to try, and you can set the ask expiry. So after the ask expiry, you can set it again. So for example, if you are going to do a pretty high one, you may want to set it to 7 days, for example, because then in case it doesn't sell, you don't have to wait for months. Then you want to go and add your payout method if you have not done that before. So click add, and then you will need to sign into your account. And then you need to enter your billing address and then your credit or debit card details that you actually want to get paid to. Now you can see I am selling it for $280, but in the bottom it says total payout $240. The reason for that is that StockX takes a 9% fee, there's a 3% payment processing fee, and the shipping is a little bit over $5. So after you have entered all of this, go and click Review Ask in the bottom. Then again, you will need to enter your payment method if you haven't done it yet. And when you click credit or debit card, you need to enter your billing address and then your payment details. And then you can actually list it. And then once it's bought, you need to send it to a specific address. And usually that will be StockX. Then they will check if it's legit. And if it is, they will then ship it out to the customer and then you will get the money. So for example, for $246, I could probably sell it right now and get the money pretty much instantly. So now you know how you can sell items on StockX. Now you can also do the same strategy for clothes or accessories again, or any other type of product that you want to sell that is actually listed on StockX. Now again, you can do this from the US, Europe, the Philippines, pretty much anywhere where StockX is available. So now you know how to sell on the StockX app. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.